Ever get those surprise on this day memories from OneDrive and wonder if there's a way to turn them off? Maybe you'd rather not be reminded every day about photos from years past, and you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to turn off on this day photo notifications in OneDrive. Whether you're using it on your computer or your phone, by the end of this video, you'll have full control over those pop-up memory prompts. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to focus on your computer. Look down in the lower right corner of your screen near the clock. That's where you'll find all your system icons. You should see a small cloud symbol sitting there. That's your OneDrive icon. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to click the little upward arrow to expand the system tray and spot it. Go ahead and click that cloud icon. This will open a menu with your recent OneDrive notifications and options. Next, look for the gear icon. This is labeled Help and Settings. It's usually right up in the corner of that menu. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main OneDrive settings panel, where you can customize how OneDrive behaves on your device. Now in the settings window, you'll see a sidebar on the left with a few tabs. Click on the one labeled Notifications. This is where OneDrive keeps all the switches for the different alerts and pop-ups you might get. Here, the key bit. You'll see an option that says something like When on this day memories are available. There will be a little toggle switch next to it. If the switch is colored or showing on the right, that means it's currently active. Click it once and the switch will slide to the left and turn gray, meaning you've successfully disabled those daily memory reminders. And that's all there is to it for desktop. Take a moment here. Sometimes these small settings changes feel surprisingly satisfying, like finally closing a squeaky door. But what about your phone? If you mainly use OneDrive on mobile, you can control these notifications there as well. Start by opening your OneDrive app. Once inside, look in the top left or top right corner for your profile icon. It might say Me, or it might just be your profile picture. Tap it to access your account menu. From here, tap on Settings. This is where OneDrive lets you adjust how the app interacts with your phone. Scroll or look for the section labeled Notifications. Inside, you'll see an option for On This Day. Just like the desktop version, there's a switch alongside. Go ahead and toggle it off. You'll know it's worked when the switch is gray and positioned to the left. No more unexpected trips down your photo memory lane when you're not in the mood. If you ever want those playful memories back, you can always revisit these steps and turn the feature back on. And that's all there is to it. With these simple changes, you're now in charge of your OneDrive memories notifications. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I read them all and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.